Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel a booking on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice. I'm currently using Chrome and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type omio.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Omio. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to cancel a booking on Omio. First off, let's see where we can access our bookings and how to cancel from there. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find your bookings. Click on the Your Bookings tab, and that's going to take you right into Your Bookings window where you can now search for your booking and follow through with the prompts to cancel. So now it says you have no upcoming journeys, and that's fine. But if you have the journeys, you're going to find all your bookings organized in this window. So select any of your bookings, and for selecting that, you can see an option for you to cancel your booking. So you find the cancel booking option. Click on that, and after clicking on the cancel booking option, your booking is going to be canceled. Of course, you're going to be asked a couple questions why you want to cancel, and after confirming that you really want to cancel, click on that, and after doing that, they're going to refund you. You're going to send you or send different prompts or instructions that are going to take for you to get your refund or to get the money for refund. So that's just pretty much it. So launch your Omio app. Now this is also applicable to your mobile application, right? So just locate your bookings tab, click on that, search for the booking, tap the booking, and you're going to find the cancel booking option. Click on that and follow through with the prompts. Of course, you need to state why you need to cancel, and after doing that, confirm the cancellation and go ahead and check your email for updates and Omio concerning your refund. So that's pretty much it. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.